Have you ever wished you could check your blood pressure without wrapping a bulky cuff around your arm? Well, a new smart ring says it can do exactly that. It's called the Signal Ring, and it's making some very big promises. The company behind it claims this tiny wearable can measure your blood pressure directly from your finger without needing a traditional cuff or even a one-time calibration. If that's true, it could completely change how people monitor their health every day. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and isn't medical advice. Also, while the Signal Ring has announced some impressive features, the device has not yet received FDA clearance, so its medical claims should be viewed with caution until they're independently verified. The Signal Ring comes from a health tech startup called Vital Signals. It's priced at $399, putting it in the premium smart ring category alongside devices like the Oura Ring and RingConn. But unlike those rings, which mainly estimate trends related to blood pressure, the Signal Ring claims it can provide actual systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings straight from your finger. According to the company, the ring uses advanced optical sensors and special algorithms to monitor changes in blood pressure throughout the day. Instead of relying on a single reading like a traditional blood pressure cuff, it continuously tracks changes over time. That means users can also see overnight blood pressure patterns, which could be useful for understanding long-term health trends. One of the biggest talking points is that the Signal Ring doesn't require calibration with a blood pressure cuff. Most cuffless blood pressure devices still need an initial setup using a traditional monitor, but Vital Signals says its ring works without that extra step. If it performs as advertised, that would remove one of the biggest inconveniences of wearable blood pressure monitoring. The company also says users can manually start a blood pressure measurement by sitting down, relaxing, and following simple breathing exercises. The collected data is then displayed in easy-to-read graphs, making it simple to track daily or weekly changes. The ring can also sync with Apple Health and Google Health, allowing users to keep all of their health information in one place. There is one important thing to know, though. The blood pressure data isn't processed entirely on the ring itself. Instead, it's sent to the cloud for analysis, so you'll need your smartphone connected to the internet to view your results. Some people may not mind this, while others might prefer on-device processing for privacy or convenience. Another feature that could attract buyers is the lack of a subscription fee. Many wearable devices today require monthly payments to unlock advanced health features. But Vital Signals says everything is included with a one-time purchase price. That's something many users will likely appreciate. In terms of design, the Signal Ring keeps things simple. It has a polished titanium finish and looks similar to other premium smart rings already on the market. If you pre-order one, you'll first receive a sizing kit, so you can choose the correct ring size before the actual device ships. Now, while all of this sounds exciting, it's important to stay realistic. The Signal Ring's biggest selling point is its ability to provide direct blood pressure readings without a cuff or calibration. That's a major claim, and right now, it hasn't been cleared by the FDA. Until independent testing and regulatory reviews are completed, it's too early to know how accurate or reliable these readings will be in everyday use. If the company delivers on its promises, the Signal Ring could become one of the most important smart rings we've seen in years. It has the potential to make blood pressure monitoring much easier and more convenient for millions of people. But for now, it's a product that looks very promising on paper while still needing real-world validation. So what do you think? Would you trust a smart ring to measure your blood pressure, or would you still prefer using a traditional arm cuff? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more updates on the latest technology and wearable devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.